Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and guess what? It's release day. We have a hop and giveaway going on right now. All you have to do is leave a comment, hop to each video, and then come back to the Rafflecopter link and enter into the giveaway. I'll be giving away a $25 gift certificate to the shop. Use the hashtag N2S Christmas Critters. That'll bring up all the videos in this hop. I'll also have links in the description box for you. This giveaway will end on October 7th. I'll announce the winner on my community tab on October 8th. So let's dig in. Let's share the new box of the month and the new goodies for October. So we have a beautiful box, and inside you'll find inside you'll find all your contents wrapped up securely. There's a little treat, and this month in the large box I threw in some little poof balls. I'll show you what you could do with those. You get your little treat. There's 3 beautiful stamp sets. This one here is called Naughty or Nice, Deck the Halls, and Holly Jolly. These 2 stamp sets here will be in your junior box. You can only get the stamp set in the large box of the month. Now you can purchase the box as a one-time purchase, or you can subscribe. When you subscribe, you get 18% off, plus you get a new box delivered to your door every 30 days. This month we have Sparkling Christmas Wishes. What a beautiful color palette. And then we have Christmas Critters. So we have a non-traditional color palette and more of your traditional colors. We have coordinating ephemera for both. This one here matches perfectly. It's gorgeous. I'm going to put a screenshot in so you can see all the ephemera laid out. And then we've got your Christmas Critters, and they are so darn cute. And I will show you what to do with those little poof balls for this collection here. Here are some cards that I've created with the contents from the box of the month. So I added a little poof ball to his little hat. It looks so cute. There's images in the ephemera that have little poofs, like on the end of the pen. That would be super cute. On his little gloves, or on the hats, and even on the tree. There's some space on the tree. Use that real estate to decorate. Get out your glitter, your enamel dots, your gems, and add little touches to the ephemera and make it your own. So here's a beautiful slimline card using the stamp set, Holly Jolly. So isn't that cute? That little gingerbread is so adorable. And the paper is the Sparkling Christmas Wishes. So I'll insert a photo of Teresa's cards that she created with this stamp set here. Here's another card that I created with the stamp set, Holly Jolly. Use the cute snowman and the Santa. I have another Santa colored up and ready to go. That beautiful sentiment there is also from the set. So these cards here were done with the ephemera, the Christmas Critters. Super cute. I used the sentiment, Dear Santa, I regret nothing. And that sentiment comes from this set here, Naughty or Nice. I love that. Some other sentiments in here. Nice until proven naughty. Hope your day is stuffed with joy. Have a wonderful holiday. Be good or I will text Santa. Here are some beautiful cards made with the stamp set by Helen Crafty Mama Diaries. Such cute sentiments. And then these 2 were made with the ephemera for that Christmas Sparkling Wishes. Another sentiment I really love is Coffee and Cuddles. Isn't that super cute? We have a companion 6x6 paper pad that is available for purchase on the website. It does not come in any of the subscriptions. It's a standalone paper pad, but it goes perfectly with your Christmas critters. It goes perfect with the ephemera. You can purchase the ephemera and the paper pads. They are available for single purchase on the website as well. You just get the best deal when you purchase the box of the month because it is a bundled price. Plus, if you subscribe, you get another 18% off the bundled price. But this Christmas Critters Basics is more of your basic design, and it just complements the paper pad so well. So if you want to break up some of those busy patterns, this paper pad is perfect. So for our paper pad club, you're getting Tropical Wishes and Sweet Winter, beautiful paper pads with the option to add the ephemera. So you'll see it on the site. It'll ask you a question if you want to add ephemera or not. So you can check out either way. You can purchase it as a one-time purchase or join the club. When you join the club, you get 18% off, and then it's auto shipped every 30 days, new designs straight to your door. The paper pad also does come with a cutout sheet with beautiful images that you can use on the fronts of your card. So I just ran them through my scan and cut. You can fussy cut them however you like to do that. But you can make your own ephemera with those images and have fun creating beautiful cards. So here is the card I created using the cutouts from the Sweet Winter paper pad. I did these fun cards on a live stream on LV Handcrafted. It was super, super fun. If you missed it, you can watch the replay. Here's another card. This one using the Tropical Christmas, and I just love the cute little flamingo. He's got ice skates and a Santa hat on. Isn't that super cute? And to top off these cards, I used Helen Crafty Mama Diaries new sequence mixes. They're so pretty and they match the paper beautifully. So this one here is called Iridescent Ice. That one I used on this card here, and then I used pink ice on this card here, and then this one I mixed in a little sprinkle here and there. This one is our new, this one is newly listed just today. It's a special mix to coordinate with the paper pad for this month. So it coordinates beautifully with Sparkling Christmas Wishes, and it also coordinates with this paper pad too, Tropical Christmas. Doesn't that match pretty well? So you can find these sequins in my shop under the Scrappy Goodness section, and then you'll see Crafty Mama Diaries. Let's take a closer look at the stamp and die of the month. So this is Drink and Be Merry. We've got the sentiment, but first eggnog, sweet Christmas wishes, and eat, drink, and be merry. These really cute hot cocoa mugs, a candy cane, some snowflakes, a shine sparkle, and some snow. The die will cut the inside of these handles, which I love. Also the sentiments. So you can sign up for this Stamp and Die of the Month Club by choosing monthly before checkout. There's an option to choose your frequency as monthly and get it delivered to your door every 30 days, a new design. You do save 18% off when you subscribe to any of our subscriptions. It's like getting the shipping for free. So when you subscribe, it actually pays for your shipping plus some. Coordinating dies will be available for all 3 stamp sets that are in your box of the month on the website. You can head on over and grab the coordinating die. So I hope you guys enjoy the hop. I hope you find lots of inspiration along the way. Let me know if you had a favorite card or a favorite collection down in the comments. I love hearing your thoughts. Thanks so much for stopping by. Happy hopping, guys. and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!